Hey guys, what's up? So, Eamon and I are going to go through one of John's break of high day trades from February 1st. And although it's not necessarily our strategy, what I see on this right away on the bigger time frames is we've got this wick here on the 60, so this nice level here. We've got a fake breakdown here on the daily with this hammer being thrown and a break back up into this level. So, yeah, it's a really great trade. Eamon's going to walk us through the smaller time frames, and if you guys end up trading this, be sure to share on Twitter. And if you have any questions, reach out, tag Eamon and I, and we'll be sure to answer your questions. So let's get to
Thank you,
it.
Megan. So, guys, this is one of strategies that John trades. We thought that would bring some sort of diversification in our recaps rather than explaining only mine or Megan's trades. So hopefully every week we'll be reviewing one of the moderators' trades. Could be Thor's, John's, Andrew's. And for this week we decided to pick one of John's trades. As you know, John trades break of the high of the days. And his setup is mainly based, in my opinion, on smaller time frames. But as Megan mentioned, on the bigger time frames looked really good, and they were also supportive of a break of the high of the day. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is before executing this strategy, you need a level. You need a high of the day. So this is not strategy that you play exactly at the open. It's strategy that you could play a bit later on the day. And you could see that at the open at 9:30, we had a high of the day formed at around $68 area. And that was also that level that Megan mentioned on the 60-minute chart previously. So it was the potential level to play the breakout from. Now we forwarded this to 10:55 and we could hit the play around here at 2 times speed. And the way we play this one is once it gets closer to the high of the day, or preferably at the break of the high of the day, we could buy some shares. Now you could see one of the key elements John loves about this strategy. It is the volume part, and you could see that on the volume closer to the break of the high of the day, you are having sort of stairs, right? It's just making higher low in volume, higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher low closer to the breakout area. This is a really important indicator that John looks for before the break. Now you could see that the price is slowly approaching our $68 area, and we could hit the buy around here. I know we're not exactly at the break, but we are close enough for the break. Always it's preferable to buy it after the break, but you know, if you buy exactly at the breakout area, you get some sort of spike, some sort of momentum, which gives you some slippage. You could see how it breaks the level right now, and it broke it with sort of slippage. And if you hit the buy right after the break, you could have you could get a bad average first of all, which would cause you to have a wider stop loss and a bit of a messed up risk to reward. Now we could increase the speed to 10 times speed since we are already in this position, and let it play out. Now from this stage it could actually take some time before it pans out because this stock, as far as I remember, it took around 6 or 7 minutes of consolidation. Now you might be asking, where could I put my stop loss when I'm playing this strategy? Now what John does, I mean, he always have a technical stop loss and the risk is always 1R, but he doesn't always risk 1R on this trade. He risks sometimes even less than that. Maybe if he has enough conviction, if he believes that the price will break and the price will continue going higher, he could hold it and accept the full 1R because the potential for the strategy to work is bigger. But if he's not so confident about the setup, or if it's not instantly doing what he wants to do, he would be cutting the losses. What is your target? You could start marching around here. So on a break of high of the day, you are already entering after the stock did some sort of move. You could see on the 5-minute chart we are on the third 5-minute candle, so the stock already did a huge move, and you do not want to hold it for so long. If it goes, that's good, that's a bonus. If not, make sure to lock in some profits all the way up. As mentioned, what is the stop loss? The closest thing for a stop loss, you could use the previous 1-minute low or the low of the candle that you entered at in this case. So that is it, guys. We broke down in short the break of the high of the day strategy. If you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If there are any specific strategies that you want us to cover or see, let us know. Me and Megan will be more than happy to do it. One thing though, you see this mail button around here? If you click on the mail button at the bottom to the right, you could submit your email, and you will receive weekly simulator practices where we give you a small part of what happened on a particular day and task you on finding the rest of the strategies, or where you can find the strategy and what strategy you can find. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this and have a great day. Bye bye.
Thanks, guys. See ya.